Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back in the studio and we've got Anna in today. She's got a tour coming up in Europe with her band, so she's in to do some promo shoots, and Peter's just going to run you through his lighting setup and the shoot with Anna.
Today we've got Anna in here and I'm just doing a promo shot for an upcoming tour in Europe next year, and she's taken the feel of the sort of the tape thing as well as the Ringflash type lighting. So that's basically what I'm going to build this shot about. I've just got a Ringflash on the Hasselblad. I've set her up against the wall there. I haven't taken a shot yet. We'll just see what our exposure is. And I'm also looking at where my halo is. Now, it's underexposed for a start. You'll see that the halo is really tight, which is not giving me the effect of what I was trying to get. I wanted to get the obvious Ringflash halo on this picture. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to move back and I'm going to get Anna to move away from the wall. And I'll turn the power up. That's one stop higher. Cool. So you'll see how that halo has come out of her more. So I might get Anna to come up another bit further, and I'm also going to guesstimate another stop of light, and I'll have to move back a little bit just so I've got her in the crop area that I want her. That's cool. Cool. It's going off on the shiny bits of the tape, which is fine. If I just check how close I am. Yeah, so I'm within a third of a stop, so that's about the right brightness there. Happy with that. I'm just going to quickly color correct. It's feeling a bit blue. Yeah, that fixed that up. I'm not loving the background. Like, it's sort of cool, but I just want to try some other background. So I've got a couple of pre-set up to wheel in. And this is one of the things I really miss when I'm traveling is 90% of the studios we work in just have white backgrounds, and it makes it hard to get creative. That already looks a heap better than what it did before. I'm just wondering if we go with something more grey. So if I just space 1, 2, 3 and a little bit, and you're one big step off the wall. So if I get you one big step off the wall, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit, very technical. What one do you like better, Anna? That one? You don't like the grey? Cool, so I'm just checking out. Oh, that's very tight, but I can live with that. What I want to do now is polish this. So first, I'll just quickly go through my black and whites, and if I just use default, let's just go green for a minute. I do want to break this a fair bit. So there's one thing I'm just going to try. I was doing this the other day and I really like the effect. So I'm putting contrast into my pitch blacks and I've got contrast in my pure white. So the steeper, and I've pulled contrast out of the middle. And so I've got detail in my blacks, detail in my printable whites. Now if I throw my contrast, if I bring my contrast in now, that's better. I've got two different contrasts happening. I've put a contrast in the highlights and the shadows, and I've pulled the contrast out of the mids. Then I've put a contrast into more the mids up in here to give the effect I want. All I'm doing is I'm looking at quite like the slightly underexposed look of the other picture we looked at, because I want to get this nice shimmering happening. So that's what I'm looking at now, is to get a bit more of that shimmery happening on her skin. Everyone knows how much Anna loves her wind. So by having two different fans running opposite, I'm trying to create like a sort of a vortexy. Can you just flick your hair for a minute? Yes, this is, I don't want it to do so much of that vortex. Is that better? Or is that too much? I'll get a heater on you in a second. I'm just trying to get the wisps. Yeah, we can work with that. I'll get a heater in on you. All right, so we've got the model more comfortable. She has her wind, she has her heater. That's really cool. And now it's just a matter of getting the shot, just polishing it, changing the little things that bug me. Cool, that's really cool. That's right, no, but I can move back a fraction, it's cool. I just wanted to get that halo a little bit bigger, and I wanted Anna to be cropped a little bit more tighter. in the frame. Cool. Yeah, just those type of things. Cool. 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 That's really cool. Yeah, this is one of those hit and miss shots. Cool. And fully show off. I like those eyes. Punching with those eyes. Cool, cool. And take a rest every now and then. So you got eyes, 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 and take a rest. Then come back. You can't just do the eyes the whole time, otherwise they get weak. Does that make sense? We'll just see what that gives me. Cool, cool. Cool, awesome. Nice, yeah, beautiful, strong, beautiful, beautiful. I'll do a little bit more like this. Cool. Really work it. That's really cool. Cool. Nice, yeah. That's really cool, that's really cool. So you're doing Wonder Woman? Yeah. Cool. Or are you doing Beyonce? That's really cool. That's really cool. Cool. Keep drifting it. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so next level is, so I've just taken a couple of test shots because I wasn't sure if it was going to work cropped in. I've changed my lens to a 150 so I could be more zoomed in. We've put clothes back on Anna. That's really pretty, that's really pretty. So the type of, I still want her, and Anna and I were talking, it's a lot of stuff that we're doing together. We're trying to get a certain sort of look for Anna with her band. It's more than she's just a singer, she's an entity for the band. Cool, that's so pretty. And on stage in that, she comes across as a hard ass a fair bit, don't you? Yeah, so in photos, I don't want that so much. It's fine for your music, but I think with the promo stuff, we can still do tough chick shots, but I think people getting to see a little bit more of who you really are in your real pictures, that's cool. And I'm just gonna let Anna keep going, that's really pretty. And I mightn't talk to the camera for the next 5 minutes, I might just talk to Anna instead. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Yeah, push that softness, that, cool, cool. Into the mood, just with the eyes, the softness, that really, sort of angelic, you know what it's like with all the hair blowing up, and all right? So I want you to pull on to that sort of angelic-y, cool, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. So I think it's important we have a cross-section of you doing your strong stuff, but also doing stuff that's just a bit more pretty. Cool, and just let the clothes or what she's wearing do the talking about the attitude, not so much in her face. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really cool. Cool. That's really pretty. I'm loving how Anna models more and more now. It's this continual movement. She doesn't stop and start and wait. She just keeps the drift and lets me find the picture. Cool, that's really pretty. Would like to get into the habit of bang, 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 reset, come back in again. Just close your eyes and let everything just fall out and then come back in fresh, rather than trying to go the whole time. So liking everything else you're doing, I like the fact that, cool, that's pretty. Cool. Just whenever you feel the camera's getting too much, you just take a little reset. Beautiful, beautiful. That's pretty, that's really pretty. But when you're on a run, you can just go with it. But every now and then, you'll find that the best pictures will be the first picture back out. That's it, nice. I like that angle, yeah, that's really pretty. Cool, I like the shoulders turned that other way. Shoulders, that way, just there. Just work a couple of that, cool, beautiful, beautiful. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I reckon we got it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did and you want to see some more shoots that Peter's done with Anna, I will throw them up on the screen now.